The Monument of Peace is a reminder that peace has returned to Sri Lanka, but the lives and livelihoods devastated by a quarter-century of civil war will take longer to recover. On Sri Lanka's northeast coast, a fishing fleet returns from a night's work, but many of the fishers in this fleet are women who lost their husbands during the war. Left to raise 4 children on her own, Selvasingam Marimala received skills training from the International Labour Organization to enable her to work on the local fishing boats instead of migrating to find work abroad. She now has enough money each month to support her family.
The support meant I could stay at home and look after my children and not go away to work. I thank the ILO very much for supporting me.
Suganthi used to run a small tailoring business out of her home. With the help of the ILO, she expanded it into a shop, creating several new jobs at the same time.
I got
training from the ILO and some loans with lower interest from banks. Then I bought more machines and employed 3 more people. Now I have 6 employees.
Suganthi told a local welder about the ILO's training. What he learned helped him build his business.
I attended a training workshop organized by the ILO, and I completed this business plan with Suganthi's help. It helped me make more money.
The ILO also helped the local business people organize themselves into cooperatives to share their experiences, learn from them, and plan for the future. Sri Lanka's farmers can make a better living from the land as well as the sea because of the technical support from the ILO that helped them modernize their farming methods, identifying high-demand crops, and get their products to market. Those products include farmed sea cucumbers and sea bass, raised from ILO-sponsored aquaculture projects. The ILO, along with the government, brokered partnerships between the producers in the north and the buyers in the south, linking businesses and enlarging their markets. Rebuilding from the Civil War will take many years, but with the help of the ILO, many Sri Lankans are well on their way to rebuilding their lives and their livelihoods.